Welcome to our culinary journey. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating culinary adventure, exploring the captivating world of tea smoked chicken, a traditional Chinese dish that masterfully combines the delicate flavors of tea with the richness of smoked poultry, creating a truly unique gastronomic experience. Origin story. Tea smoked chicken is a revered classic from Sichuan cuisine, renowned for its intricate flavors and meticulous preparation. This ancient dish utilizes a distinctive technique where chicken is marinated, steamed, and then smoked over tea leaves and spices, imparting a profound smoky and aromatic flavor that has been perfected over centuries. Ingredients list. For this authentic recipe, you will need whole chicken, 1, cleaned and patted dry, salt, 2 tablespoons, Sichuan peppercorns, 1 tablespoon, crushed, fresh ginger, sliced, 3 tablespoons, star anise, 3 pieces, black tea leaves, 1/4 cup, uncooked rice, 1 cup, granulated sugar, 1 cup, soy sauce, for marinating, scallions and cilantro for garnish. Recipe. Preparation. Rub the chicken with soy sauce and salt, ensuring even coverage. Fill the cavity with sliced ginger and star anise, allowing the aromas to infuse. Let it marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight for maximum flavor absorption. Recipe. Smoking setup. In a wok, mix tea leaves, rice, and sugar. This mixture will serve as the smoking medium, generating a fragrant smoke that will envelop the chicken. Heat the wok until it begins to smoke, signaling the start of the smoking process. Recipe. Smoking the chicken. Place the chicken on a rack above the smoking mixture, ensuring air circulation. Cover tightly with a lid or foil, trapping the smoke. Smoke for about an hour, checking periodically to prevent overheating. Recipe. Final touch. After smoking, let the chicken rest for 10 to 15 minutes before cutting into it. This allows the flavors to meld and the meat to retain its juices, resulting in a tender and succulent final product. Serving suggestion. Slice the chicken and serve on a platter garnished with scallions and cilantro. This dish pairs wonderfully with a light cucumber salad or steamed rice, providing a refreshing contrast to the rich flavors of the tea smoked chicken. Fun fact. The use of tea in cooking is an ancient Chinese practice that has been used to impart flavor and aroma to a variety of dishes, making tea smoked chicken a perfect example of culinary artistry. This technique showcases the versatility of tea beyond beverages, highlighting its potential as a unique flavor enhancer.